Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. And for those of you that want to know, what smartphone am I using to record this video with? It is the brand new Google Pixel 4a 1080p 60 frames per second. So let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds down below in the comment section. Motorola Edge 5G. Battery life. Update. Got 3 screenshots we're going to look at, and we're going to go into the settings, into battery, and we're going to look at where we're at today. Now, right now, 14%. The battery juice is slowly draining. So let's go into my gallery here. Got 3 screenshots. On this day, now I don't remember what day this was, but I had 17% battery juice left. 16 hours off the charger, 6 hours, 1 minute. On this day, now, let me add this before I go on. 17%. This smartphone, as far as battery, drains really slow. So when you see that 17%, I could have actually probably gotten another hour. Whether I was over at YouTube watching videos, whether I'm watching my own personal movies, because I got a lot of movies that I have on my computer that I transfer over, that I watch on MX Player Pro. That's my go-to movie player. It doesn't matter. Web browsing. All I know is that I could have gotten another hour out of there. But look what we have here. 9 hours and 13 minutes with 17% battery juice left. On this day, 3% left, 8 hours, 11 minutes. So let's go into the settings. 14% battery juice left right now. And we're gonna go over to battery. And right now, I'm at 9 hours, 37 minutes, 14%, and last fully charged 13 hours ago. And there you go. Appreciate your time. Appreciate you watching. Please share the videos. If you're not subscribed to Team My Project 13, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified when I've uploaded content for you to watch and share with others. Be safe. Stay healthy. Till my next video, this is My Project 13. Peace. I am out.